Hello students, we're going to go ahead and be filling out our information for your test on Wednesday, your PSAT 8-9. Teachers, you're going to be using the supervisor manual starting on page 13, or you may simply just follow along with me. That would be fine. Students, you should have three things in front of you. You should have your answer document, a pencil, and a pre-populated index card that has your name and your own personal information. I've gone ahead and come up with a sample for us to use when we need to. Students, it's going to be very important that you listen and follow directions from your teacher. You may only use a number 2 pencil, and you're going to need to print the requested information in the boxes for each item. You will also need to fill in the matching circle below what you write in each box, and be sure to erase your answer, any errors, completely. At this time, I will be guiding you in filling out your identifying information on your PSAT 8-9 answer sheet. As we proceed, please indicate by looking up at your teacher when you have finished each part of the answer sheet. Use only a number 2 pencil. Mechanical pencils may not be used on this test, and if you have any questions, simply raise your hand. Let's look at box 1. Begin by reading the directions in box 1 of your answer document sheet. Then enter your legal name, starting with your last name, and fill in the appropriate circles carefully. If your last name is too long for the number of spaces available, enter as many letters as the space will allow. Include blanks, hyphens, and or apostrophes if these are part of your legal name. Fill in the corresponding circles. Make sure each mark is dark and completely fills the circle. Look up at your teacher when you have finished. For those of you who need assistance with your legal name, please take a look at your card. It is going to be your last name, comma, and then your first name. So this student here has the name of Mighty Hornet. Their last name is Hornet. So we're going to come here where it says last name, and we're going to fill in the letters. If for some reason you make an error, simply just erase. And as they indicated, if you do not use all the boxes, which you will not be using all the boxes, for this portion right here, you're going to simply bubble in each corresponding blank. So right now, fill in your legal last name. If your last name has a hyphen, you're going to need to indicate that. If you look down here on the bottom of your page, there are hyphens and apostrophes. Teachers, please at this time ensure the students are filling out the correct information in the corresponding boxes. It's very important that we do not move on until everyone has completed this task. Teachers, please stop the video at this point.